The United Nations nuclear watchdog has said it could not guarantee the peaceful nature of Iran's nuclear program, saying there had been no progress in resolving questions about the past presence of nuclear material at undeclared sites. The report said IAEA Director General was increasingly concerned that Iran has not engaged with the agency on the outstanding safeguards issues during this reporting period and, therefore, that there has been no progress towards resolving them. Tehran has long said that its nuclear program is exclusively peaceful. The IAEA has been pressing Iran for answers about the presence of nuclear material at 3 undeclared sites. Without credible explanations from Iran on what happened to the uranium that appears to have been present at the 3 sites, the agency said it could not guarantee that uranium had not been siphoned off to make weapons. Tehran has insisted that the IAEA probe be concluded in order to revive the 2015 deal on its nuclear program with world powers, formerly known as the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action.